We're out in Honeoye Falls today, and I hear that the customer has a number of different pest issues. We're out with Ethan and Pavel, who's outside. Yeah. Ethan, tell us a little bit about what we're looking at here.
Yeah, so we've got a nice garage shop here, barn. As you see, these large panel track doors, about 32 feet wide here. Up at the top, so we've got gaps where birds are coming in, getting into the shop, roosting in through the rafters and trusses, depositing feces and things like that. Obviously contamination to all this equipment. And basically this customer, she is not even coming out here. A little bit of a challenge for us to modify. Basically we're gonna address the header of this door, the top portion here. We're gonna use a brush system, custom fit it to these doors so it's tight and the birds can't continue to come through, but also this door is gonna hopefully remain functional when it's all said and done.
Before we head out, we were loading up the truck with a number of different construction materials. What did we bring on the job today?
So we got the brush kits that are gonna go on the doors. That's the main piece of exclusion there. But then also, in order to modify this door so that the brushes fit, we've got an assortment of lumber and things like that to use for the doors. We've also got some custom permanent metal screen solutions as well. Got a whole bunch of stuff. We brought the whole arsenal today so that we can be prepared for whatever this job throws at us.
Sounds like you guys got everything well underhand. We'll let you get to it, all right?
Thanks, man.
Perfect.
All right.
So we caught up with Ethan inside. Looks like Pavel's already out here tinkering. Pavel, what are you up to?
I am creating a boxed out area to kick the birds out, keep them out. They've turned this into a little bit of a birdhouse, and we're gonna make sure that that doesn't happen anymore.
It looks like you're creating a little bit of a template there with some cardboard. Pretty nifty idea you got.
Yeah, way easier than experimenting with the metal.
Well, Pavel's got everything under control. Guess it's just best to leave them to it.
We've covered in previous episodes that we pride ourselves on our ability to handle construction-based environmental solutions. And a lot of these services require custom fabrication. Our technicians are equipped with the proper tools, materials, and ingenuity to address a variety of issues. And this job is the perfect example of that. Once Pavel wraps up his work on the end caps, he crafts a triangular screen for the gable vent of the workshop. Meanwhile, Ethan has been installing a metal screen on the soffit, as well as a one-way door to coax out a raccoon that's made its way into the structure. Once that's taken care of, Ethan and Pavel head inside to modify the barn door header with extra lumber to properly attach the exclusion brushes.
That just about wraps it up for us. As for Ethan and Pavel, they're gonna make sure no other critters are able to get into this workshop area. Anyway, I'm Matt Miller, and we'll see you at the next job. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to make sure all of our content gets into your feed from Town & Country Pest Solutions.